Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial, we are going to see presentation video on live captions for Android. With a single tap, live caption automatically captions speech on your device. Use it on videos, podcasts, phone calls, video calls, and audio messages, even stuff you record yourself. Point 1. Turn on live captions. To turn live caption on or off: 1. Press the volume button. 2. Under the volume controls, tap live caption subtitles. 3. When live caption is turned on, captions appear for speech in media playing on your device. Move the caption box. 1. Move the caption box, touch and hold, then drag up or down. 2. Hide captions and turn off live caption. Drag the caption box off the bottom of your screen. 3. Expand or contract the caption box, double tap. Not available during calls. Change live caption settings. 1. Open your device's Settings app. 2. Tap Sound and then Live Caption. 3. Under Settings, view or change these settings. 4. Turn live caption on or off. 5. Hide or show profanity. 6. Hide or show sound labels such as laughter and applause. 7. Hide or show the live caption icon in volume control. 8. Turn call captioning on or off, Pixel phones only. Thanks you for watching presentation video on live captions, created by British Desire eLearning. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us on www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.